Have you ever tried making tilapia okro soup this way? That's very easy and I hope you try it. Guys, just look at this. It was super delicious. Let's get started. To begin, I added the meat to my saucepan. I used cow meat. You can use any protein of your choice. I then went in with tolo beef, wele, and then I blended onion, ginger, garlic, habanero pepper. I blended to smooth. I poured some on it. I left the rest for the tilapia. I went in with my favorite seasoning, which is aromat shrimp flavoring seasoning and the spice seasoning as well. So I stirred it, make sure everything is on point. This me checking everything before going in with water. I let this steam for about 10 minutes before going in with the water. I then cover it and then let it cook for some minutes. In the meantime, I went ahead and seasoned the tilapia by adding in fish seasoning, salt, and then shake it to make sure everything is well mixed, well combined before going in with the blended veggies. So that's it. Cover it and then let it sit for at least until it is ready to be used. So once I was done with the tilapia, they gave us light out. Light out, so I have to transfer everything on the cool pot. So once the meat was cooked, I added in the crabs and then palm oil. I added in momoni as well, and then I kept it aside. So this is very easy, so simple. All you have to do is to prep your veggies and keep it aside and wait until it is ready. So go ahead, cook your okro, add in your jute leaf, which we call ateme. I added in garden eggs, which is totally optional, and some onion. I pour it on the soup, and then I added in the tilapia. So this tilapia okra soup. So the okra, don't make sure it is not fully cooked. Once it comes to a boil, pour it in the on the meat, the stew, and then add in your tilapia so that they all cook together. And that's it, guys. This was very delicious, very simple, and it was delicious. Trust me. So once it was ready, there's me preparing the bangkong. Wow, guys, try it and thank me later. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video, and I know you're going to give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page, and guys, just look at this. Wow, I even feel like eating this right now to take you to heaven. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Love you all and stay blessed.